Hello everyone and welcome back. We're here today to show you the Copenstick UNI-V. We're going to take a walk around the machine, show you some of its features and show you how it works. So now we're going to show you the turret stops and the movement of the fence. So on the top you can see you've got two locking handles. You undo these and on the side you can see the two turret stops, one for the front and one for the back, with 4 different positions in each. You can simply set those to the depths that you want and spin them round into their pre-locked positions, and then you can just slide the fence back until it touches them at whatever preset depth you want it to run at. You can then tighten the handles back off. So now we're going to change the bed insert so that the opening matches the tool that we're using. So we've got our spare part here. As you can see, you've got these countersinks on the edges of the bed insert. That is to locate it into the exact same position that it was taken out of. So if we undo these bolt heads, we'll be able to remove the table insert and put our new piece in. So just slide that one out, put the new one in, and replace the bolts. And thanks to the countersinks on the edge of the table insert, you know it's not going to slide or move anywhere it's not supposed to go, keeping the opening as small as possible. Up on the top here you can see as well you've got your jaws for the fence. Both of these can be adjusted by undoing the handles at the back. This allows you to slide it in and close the gap up around the tool to make the opening as small as possible. This helps with extraction and also safety. And on this side of the machine you can see you've got your manual hand wheel for the rise and fall, which also has a mechanical readout. This means you can preset your tooling to whatever figure is necessary to complete your tool path. And you can set it to the same position every single time. So the UNI-V here today has the optional power feed attachment on there. Normally it comes with a shore guard fitted as standard, but the power feed does make the feeding process easier, faster and safer. And then at the front of the machine here you can see you've got the main isolator, your on and off button, emergency stop, and also the adjustment for the variable speed motor. This can go from 12,000 RPM up to 18,000 RPM. So that is the tongue portion of the tongue and groove we're going to do today done. So what we need to do now, thanks to the quick change tools on this machine, we can just quickly change the tool over into the new cutter we need to use and run that up. So now we're going to get everything out of the way so we can get access to our tool. We can then remove the rear cover, which just lifts off. Which gives you access to the motor and everything else on the back here. So now going through the tool change, you're going to see the benefits of the quick release tools. You spin this round, you can see on the brass sleeve you've got this hole which has a Torx head rub screw in it. If you undo that, you can then simply just remove the tool. You can see you've got 2 slots on this HSK32 tool. Simply line that up with the grub screw on the sleeve and using the Torx head tool that comes with it, tighten that up until you get the click. Then you know you're going in at the correct torque and you're ready to set the new depths on that tool. So as you can see on this large plate at the back here, you've got the function to tilt this from 0 to 90 degrees. You've also got preset increments here, which it will lock into all the way up to 90 degrees. All you have to do is simply undo this handle down here. You've then got the locking nut, which you pull down to release it. You can slide it up and lock it into whatever position you want and tighten the handle back up. You're then ready to use the nosing function on the machine as well. So one feature of this machine that sets it apart from everything else on the market is its ability to do nosings and Hoffman dovetail keys like this. So you've got the dovetail key inserts here and the nosing function, and it's simply done just by pressing the foot pedal. So as you can see, we've got the groove cutter in now, so now we just need to set it up so that we can run it on our next piece of timber. Another incredible function of the UNI-V is the tenoning table, which makes it really stand out from the rest of the competition. Well, there you go, that's the Copenstick UNI-V. This is a fraction of what the machine can do, so if you want to come in for a demonstration, this is available for that. Please give us a call or send us an email.